the breakfast ready?
Yes, I'm excited.
Yes, me too.
What are we having here?
Everything.
Ooh,
Buffet.
eggs
Like a mini waffle.
Yeah.
and the
Cinnamon
cinnamon rolls. Biscuits? Huh. All right.
Bacon?
Oh, we got potatoes in there and we got bacon in here. Welcome back to another day in our lives, and this day is beautiful. Ashley actually made a lot of breakfast. Basically, it's gonna be a brunch. It's almost noon and we have exciting plans for the day.
Yes.
So I'm not gonna tell you now, just to stay hooked with this vlog and find out for yourself what's gonna go throughout our day. Yep.
Look at the potatoes. Ooh, all done.
Look at all the goodness in the plate. Look at that. So we haven't decided what are we gonna watch on the TV, but we are gonna watch something while having our brunch, and then I'll see you guys later.
Alright guys, so Nitish and Ashley have gone out for fishing. Mayank is talking back to his parents, and I am sitting here because I'm done with some of my works, like washing the kitchen mats and putting a little bit of laundry now that it's drying, a little bit of sweeping. So I am tired and I'm sitting here with this guy. Sitting here with him and relaxing a little bit because I'm gonna go take bath after this, and let's see, we have so much work to do today. I hope you guys are having an amazing Saturday, right Astro? We hope that they're having a very amazing Saturday. Is that right? That's right. We are super full from the food that we ate, so I think we're good till dinner, and dinner is going to be grilling again. And tonight we're gonna be grilling eggplant, steak, and let's see what else.
So these girls have gone crazy in the house. This girl over here and this girl have gone crazy in the house, and the men's are taking this challenge of getting wax. So
on weird places.
Not
No.
weird. It's a very common place. I'm gonna wax his
I'm
back.
just gonna try with my back,
Yeah.
okay? So no weird places for me. I don't know. It's a husband and wife, so I don't know what she's gonna wax for him. But for me, it's just gonna be back. I have convinced Tanya to just do my back, and let's see if I can take it or not.
No, my camera is there.
Alright guys, so
Before and after.
Are you ready?
what?
Should I start?
Give me something to hold in my between the teeth or something?
I can bring a wooden spoon.
For what?
Baby, it's not too hot now?
No, don't do it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I mean, grab the whole It has to be hot. Else it will not work.
It's not burning hot that is gonna burn your skin or something.
Alright. Yeh mauka hai. Do it. Gently.
Is it okay?
This is the opportunity. You take so much time in the bathroom?
Now you can't take it?
No.
Bring some ice.
You
No.
can't? Okay, I won't do it then if you can't take it.
I think it's done now.
Now he's
I
gonna
see
have
a
to
square
have
there
it.
already. It'll be a circle after some time.
So the first one was less painful than the other one. So where these are
So this
very
is not
painful.
going to be painful, only this is going to be painful. So do you
I-
want me to do in small patches?
I don't know if I can do this.
You got it.
Now it looks super weird.
Well, I have a very good trimmer of like $100 that will match it. Alright, how you feeling? He got some confidence from me. Let's see.
Where do you want me to start?
Where you pull? Like pull here, so that.
Okay.
I don't have many. Well, go easy, okay?
Yes, I'll go very easy.
Oh boy, that
Can I have a
hurt. It's
pillow or something?
still hurting.
Ah, that's hot.
It's not very hot.
Bus. That's it. Dan, say 1, 2, 3, okay?
You want me to say? I'll just pull it directly.
No, say something before you
Man,
do
it's
it.
gonna hurt. I know. I'm
Alright.
telling you.
Don't move so much. All right. 1, 2, 3.
My God.
Okay, let's go and shave each other.
Keep going.
You going?
Yep. Till the last hair.
Okay.
He said it.
He said it. You heard it. He's gonna get waxed.
ऊपर
I'm gonna take a rain check. Alright, I'm gonna let girls have all the fun here and go and take shower.
He couldn't do it.
I can't do it.
Yeah,
No.
Nitish got his
Not
back
my cup
done.
of tea. I have so much.
I think he stopped breathing for a minute when I pulled his hair. Alright guys, so we are all out going to the beach and
we'll try to find a spot where
yeah.
there's no one.
Yep.
Else we'll see you back here.
Yeah, that's what. We're just going for a little bit just to see work. Basically, it's a work that we're going for. So I think it's like 6 months more.
I
6
love
months.
our work.
Yeah, we love our work. So anyways, we're going to the beach after more than 6 months.
Well,
so
we are going to the beach for the first time this year.
yeah, I guess first time this
Yep.
year. So let's go.
Alright, so we are here on the beach. We are wearing a mask until we reach to the beach. We are gonna find an isolated spot and that's when we are gonna take a mask off. If not, we'll just sit back and go. But I'm sure beach is pretty big. So let's go and check out some water. So we are here to shoot a video. She's getting ready. We are gonna take a 15-second shot and then bye bye. There's so many people down, so we're not going down there. These people are not even coming down here. So let's get the work done.
We are back from the beach. We're done with the work. It was so freaking hot. We literally did the fastest video ever. And we came back and now we're gonna go to Starbucks!